Hi, do you want to recover unsaved Word document, or you just saved and closed the Word document accidentally and now you want the previous version of your Word document? If second, watch the video from I button and also link is given in the description box. In this video, I will show you how to recover unsaved Word document. Okay, I'll show you 4 methods by which you will be able to recover your unsaved Word document. Okay, I'm Muhammad Leon from LeonsBD. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Here we go. This is the Word document that I created now. Okay, this is the thumbnail of current video that you are watching. So now I will close the Word document. Don't save. Okay, suppose that I'm doing it mistakenly, although I'm doing it intentionally. Okay, don't save. Now I'll show you method 1. Go to this Windows logo button. From here, all apps, then Word W for Word. From here, Word. Word is being opened, blank document. Okay, so go to File. From here, Open. From here, see at the bottom middle, Recover Unsaved Documents. So click on it. Okay, then so here you can see the list of unsaved documents. Okay, so the first one has been created at 7:43 a.m. and the second one has been created at 7:59 a.m. So the last one is my desired one. Okay, then open. So see, this is my unsaved Word document. Okay, so for saving it, just from here click on Save As. I'm not saving it, I'm going to New tab. From my keyboard I'm pressing Ctrl N. So now I'll show you method 2. Go to File. From here, Info. From here, Manage Document. Okay, recover unsaved documents. So see, this is the unsaved documents. Okay, 7:59 a.m. that has been created last. Select it. From here, open the same way. Okay, again I am going to New tab, Control M. Okay, now I'll show you method 3. Go to File. From here, Options, Save, Auto Recover File Location. This is a path. So just from your keyboard press Ctrl C for copying. So I'll close it. Now I'll go to File Explorer. Click on here. From your keyboard press Ctrl V for pasting that copied path. Okay, and press Enter. Here you will find the unsaved document at .asd file. So this is my desired .asd file. So select it and from here Ctrl C for copy. Okay, then again I'll go to Word document, then File, Open, Recover Unsaved Documents, and here I'll paste it. Ctrl V. Select it and open. Boom. Okay, so your unsaved document has been recovered. Now I'll show you method 4. I'm closing Word. From your keyboard press Windows button plus R. Then Run dialog box appears. Then here you will write appdata. 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 Then click on OK. From here go to Local. Then M for Microsoft. Then O for Office. Here see Unsaved Files. So double click on that. So this is my desired file. Okay, just double click on this file. See, this is my unsaved Word document that I'm looking for. So hopefully you understand how to recover unsaved Word document in 4 different ways. So yeah, that's it. In the next video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Word document. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching and see you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.